We are going to talk about programming your Garmin watch. I have the Forerunner 235. It's a pretty basic running watch. It's not the most basic watch. I used to run an Vivo Active, which is, I would say, one of the most basic watches, and this is definitely a step up. It has a little bit more data and features to it. So the Forerunner 235, I got it off of Amazon. So there's that. But we are going to talk about how to program your workouts because it makes your life so much easier if you're doing tempo runs or progression runs where you're constantly changing pace, or even interval runs and you don't want to keep track of how many sets you've done of this pace and then going on to this many sets of that pace. It can be a lot to remember, and it's honestly just nice that your watch will tell you when to go, when to change, when to stop, when to cool down, when to rest, whatever. So it's just like way less things to have to worry about. And work smarter, not harder. So you can focus on your running and your watch will let you know when to change pace or whatever.
Okay, so we're opening up the Garmin Connect app. Down at the bottom, you'll see the 3 dots. Click on that, click on training with that little stopwatch, workouts. And there's my workouts I've done, but we're going to create a new workout. That way y'all can see what is going on. So create a workout. We're going to do running. Click on the run. Okay, so here is where you edit all of your things, input all your things. So let's start with warm up. And we're going to change the duration type to distance. We're going to set it to 1 mile for our warm-up. Intensity target is definitely optional. I like to put in an intensity target just to keep myself accountable. If your coach has an intensity target for you, definitely input it here. So we're going to click on pace. Set target pace, we're going to keep it at about a 9:30 to a 10-minute pace. That gives you a 30-second range. Nice and easy warm-up, obviously. To each their own there. So we're going to go back. Oops, okay, we made that a run. So we're going to click on that again. We're going to go to step type, click on warm up again. That way it'll differentiate itself. Okay, so we're going to go to run. We are going to go to duration type, which is distance. You can change it there, time if you want time, things like that. But we're going to keep it distance. We're going to set the duration to 2 miles. You can do 3, 4, whatever you need or want. Okay, we're going to do intensity target as the pace, and we're going to make the pace a little quicker now. So 8:30 to, let's say, 8:45. Go back, and here you can add a step or add a repeat. So let's do add a step first, and then we'll do add a repeat later. So let's add a step. It's going to be a run. And obviously you can change it to a recover or whatever. So we're going to do distance as the type. And we are going to make it 2 miles again. Set the intensity pace. We're going to make it a little quicker now. We're going to do 8 minutes to 8 minutes and 15 seconds as the pace range. So it's going to be a little quicker, a little quicker. Cool down. We're going to make it distance as a 1 mile cool down. You don't have to do intensity target here, or you totally can. It's up to you. So that is our workout here. This is just an example. That way you kind of know what to do. We're going to save it. Always save it. We're going to do test run 1. Let's call it. Save. Okay, and you see it there pop up with the other workouts I've created. So let's do it again. We're going to do run. This time we're going to add a repeat. So we are going to do pace target. Distance was 1 mile. We're going to do the pace warm up at 9:30 to 10 minutes. Keep it nice and slow first. Okay, and then here we're going to edit this run. 2 mile run. Intensity target is the pace, and we want that target pace to be a little quicker than that warm-up at 8:30 to 9 minutes per mile. So we're going to go back. That step, you can always take out that first step if you don't want it before your repeats. So you can always just press the X. So here on the repeats, you can do as many repeats as you'd like. Let's keep it at 3 times. And then we're going to change the run first. So this is going to be your work. We're going to do a 1 mile at quick at 7:45, let's say, to 8:15. That way you get a big range there. Okay, so 7:45, 8:15. Let's go back, and we're actually going to make this rest, which you can keep it rest, but I'm just going to change it to recover just for argument's sake, and we're going to make it time, and we're going to make that recovery 3 minutes, and we are going to do intensity target. That way we kind of keep accountable here, but we're going to make that recovery 9:30 to 10, pretty similar to our warm-up. And that's what we're going to do there. You can always change that recovery to distance or whatever. So cool down. We are going to do cool down since we had a really tough workout. We are actually going to do it for time. And we're going to make that cool down 10 minutes. And we're not going to do an intensity target here because you're probably pretty dead by then. So that is a different type of workout. Sorry for these texts coming in. So test run 2 is what we're going to name the second one. Save. And there you'll see it with the other workouts we've created. So I like to go all the way back to my home screen. And then click that syncing thing up at the top right, and you'll see it syncing. You see that circle fill up around the watch. And once it's green, there you go. It's synced to. Okay, so open your calendar. We're going to go to tomorrow. Click on the 3 dots, add workout. Sorry for the text. We're going to add test run 2 to tomorrow. That way we can plan out our running programs. So as you can see, it's there. I always like to go back to my home screen, resync it just to make sure it's on there. So it's syncing. It's going, it's going, it's going. When it fills all the way up, it'll turn green, and that'll mean it is synced. There you go. Okay, so another way to sync is you click on your workout, that little phone, send to device, and you click on that watch. So once you get time to run, click on the running guy, click down, running guy, click the down arrow.
That's it.
Go down again, go to training, go down, go to training calendar, and there you will see that we set tomorrow's workout there. You can click on it and then do workout whenever you're ready to do it. You can do it.
That is the Garmin in a nutshell as far as syncing a workout. I think that it is a fantastic tool to use that not many people know about. I know a lot of runners that I follow on Instagram and run coaches I follow on Instagram talk about it all the time, which is kind of where I learned how to do it, and it's really been a lifesaver for me. So I hope this helps. If there are any questions, please reach out. Like I said, I'm using the Garmin Forerunner 235. It's kind of an average running watch. It doesn't have super amount of features, and it's also not one of the basic watches. So it's a perfect running watch. I absolutely love it. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. So like I said, any questions, please reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all y'all's support through subscription, through watching my videos, and just those thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait for next time. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your week, and thanks for watching.